Hello, and welcome again to another video on Simple Manufacturing software. In this video, we will provide an overview of our calibration module. All manufacturing businesses have a set of devices used to measure product or process evaluation attributes. This module is used to manage those devices and their calibration requirements, including masters, should the business decide to calibrate devices internally. Let's now look into this module. From the main menu, click on Calibration Management. Here you will find the main menu for calibration. From the left is Device Types. This section enables users to create a set of device types, including calipers, feeler gauges, noise dosimeters, thermometers, and others. It's a way for devices to be grouped by their device type. This is also where businesses can link to the calibration procedure they have created for calibrating these device types, should they calibrate devices internally. Moving on to the next section. This section is the device list. It allows users to add new devices, search for and find devices of interest using various filter options, including combinations of options. Then, to view the device, double-click the mouse to open the device's details. This provides all the device details, such as the name, model number, serial number, asset, device number, etc. Additionally, other device attributes, such as calibration strategy, calibration frequency, and calibration location, are also important. At the bottom of the device details are 3 tabs. The first tab shows the calibration history. Click on any of the historical records to view the details. The next tab is used when the device has been identified as being calibrated internally. You can identify the measurement strategy, the measurement used, and the acceptable minimum and maximum values. The calibration master can be identified. The last tab shows the check-in and check-out activity when the device check-in and check-out module of Simple Manufacturing is used. Very helpful when trying to manage calibrated tools that are located throughout the manufacturing floor. Moving on to the next section of the calibration main menu is the calibration log history. The calibration log history section allows users to view the device calibration history. Similar to the device list, use the numerous filters to search and find the device of interest. Select the device of interest, and the calibration history is refreshed in the bottom section. Click on any of those calibration records to see the details of the calibration, including the calibration certificate. To view the calibration certificate that was linked to this event, click View Cert. The next section of the calibration main menu is the emailing section. This section serves 2 purposes. One, to provide a one-click action for preparing an email that includes the list of expired devices, devices with calibration due within the next 30 days, and devices due for calibration within the next 60 days. Here, you can see the expired calibrated devices. Then, after scrolling down to the section of devices due in the next 30 days, scroll further to view the section of devices due 31 to 60 days. Once the email is reviewed, the user can send it. The next purpose of this emailing section is to identify the users who will receive these emails. Once open, scroll down the list and check Receive Calibration Email next to each employee. When the email is prepared, all the users checked will get the same email. Moving on to the next section of the calibration main menu, which relates to updating the calibration requirements. Although most of the actions taken while using this calibration module will refresh the calibration requirements as actions are taken, click this button to regenerate the requirements manually. The next section in this area of the calibration main menu is the calendar feature. All calibration due dates are automatically updated in the Simple Manufacturing calendar. Select different months and years to view the calibration requirements for specific months. To view calibration items only, add the calibration filter, and only calibration items will be displayed. Double-click on any day to see the list of equipment that has the same calibration due date. When open, click on the forward arrows to see the different devices whose calibration expires on this same day. The last section of this area enables users to prepare purchase orders for third-party calibration suppliers to calibrate devices. Users can itemize all devices requiring calibration in the purchase order details and send them to the supplier for calibration. Moving on to the reports. Several reports are available for viewing. Some of them have filter options, some display without needing filters. Reports are a view of data and information that is formatted for printing. Just double-click on any report to view. When a filter is shown, filters can be added, or all data can be displayed by not adding any and clicking Preview Report. Some convenient reports, such as a list of all devices with expired calibration and those that need to be calibrated within the next 30 days, are shown here. This report is sorted by due date. A similar report, sorted by device type, is shown here. To view a list of all devices with the device type calipers, add calipers to the filter and click Preview Report. This same process and filtering functionality are also available on other reports. Alerts are listed for informational purposes only. The last section is the Calibration Alerts, or Calibration To-Do List. Several buckets are displayed in this view, including overdue calibration, calibration due in the next 30 and 60 days, and those in the calibration process, which are devices that have been sent out for calibration but not yet returned. To see the devices that are in each bucket, click on a bucket and the device list is shown on the right side. And in this case, sorted by calibration due date. To change the sort by column, select a new column in the Sort by drop-down selection. To search for a specific serial number, select it from the serial number drop-down list. Click Clear to default back to the original view. When the View Device is checked, double-click on any device to view the device's details. When the View Calibration History is checked, a report of the calibration history is generated. When the Add Calibration Record is checked, a new calibration record is created. Enter the date of calibration. The option to identify the temperature and humidity is also available, as well as specifying the standard, specification, or master used for calibrating the device and recording the calibration completion date. This also includes the ability to link the calibration certificate when applicable. Verify if the device's condition, as found, was within specification and whether it needed adjustment. Finally, select Final Result as Return to Service. This process sets the device's next calibration due date to the frequency set in the device details. That is all that is needed to record and reset the device's calibration status and next calibration due date. That concludes an overview of the Simple Manufacturing Calibration module. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Until next time, cheers!